Hello friends, this is Obagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, we'll discuss about a new plugin in Blender. Go to Edit Preferences, how to install it I will show you, and go to Install. From here, you can install that plugin, that is MBLab. You can download it from the net. I have already installed, so I'm just showing. Click in MBLab, and from MBLab, this is the menu. I just clicked on create character, so it just started. Well, this is the character, so beautiful. This is an African lady, and here is character shape, character age. Oh, age simulation, my goodness. This is age simulation. This is character mass. This is stone. Quite interesting for Blender because it was not there earlier in Blender, and I used to do 3D sketches, 3D sculpting, 3D characters in Dash Studio, Dash 3D, and I refer 3D mainly for comic illustration, so I don't need much about regarding animation or anything, any stuff like that. So I just wanted pose. Pose is also there. Rest pose. Load custom rest pose. We have to download it and we have to load it from there. Save custom rest pose. And is there any default pose? I have to check. Body measures, random generator. There are so many things, and let me show you the menu first. This is African female, Asian female, Latino female. Let's Afro male, Asian male, Latino, anime, realistic anime male, female ELF, male ELF. Just have a look. I just love this. I never expected something like this in Blender, and it's for free of cost. There is another plugin in Blender that take $68 and $125 for commercial use, and but compared to that, this is amazing. You are getting such characters free of cost, and that is just, oh my god, how do you do it? Why? So I just love it. I just love it because for comic illustration purpose, you get ready-made this kind of stuffs, and that's quite a use for uh, for free. So Blender is free, and such a kind of plugin is free. So I'm quite optimistic about the future. And further, this is Edge, and this is character mass. See, and this is tone. Tone means muscle. Yes. So quite lovely. And what is this? Fantasy. Generate. This is fantasy. Generate. So there are so many things, and character library. Character library. What is there in character library? Anyway. Male dwarf. Create character. It takes little time depending on your configuration. Mine is 8 core Ryzen 1700 plus 16 GB plus DDR5 3 GB. So here it is. Just lovely, just lovely. I am I'm quite impressed. You get such things free of cost, and my goodness. So you don't need anything, just take a screenshot and do sketches on it. So as good as that. Quite impressive, quite impressive. And you can sculpt here. If you want to sculpt it, you can sculpt it further. And sculpt is just damn powerful in Blender. My goodness. So usually what I used earlier, I tried to import from Dash to Blender, and I'm a bad learner and it was not easy for me. And if my idea was how to get a character ready made without sculpting, and just blend it through Blender, by sculpting or whatever. So, and here it is. So beautiful. So beautiful. That's it. Just lovely. So this is what I wanted to share about MB Lab. I am a beginner, and I look forward to share more tutorials related to this, and I wish a big success for this MB Lab team. They're a small group, and they are really doing good, and further they are working on more versions and more upgrades. Let us see what more is awaited, and thank you for watching. If you like the content of this video, please consider subscribing. Take care. Bye bye.